How to fix 404 not found error in Google Chrome. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to fix 404 not found error in Google Chrome. So if you are also encountering such problems on Google Chrome, first step is just always make sure you have corrected or typed in the correct site or URL on your search bar. So if you search in for the existing or non-existent site which doesn't even exist, so that might show up the problem related to 404 not found error. So if the server of that particular website is also down, then that also might be the issue. So another thing what you can do is just tap on this three dot icon over here and just click on here history. So once you're inside here, just make sure you click on this delete browsing history and make sure you have selected the all time if it's in last hour or any other option. So once you do all of that, you can just click on all of these cookies and site data and browsing history, as well as cached files or site settings. So you may need to remember your password if you need it, but you can also click on this saved password if you don't really want it, and just click on this delete data option over here and just click on delete it, and you'll have successfully fixed the issue for certain sites. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.